Hello guys, Blogans here, and in this lesson I want to introduce you to operators in C++. We'll have several lessons dedicated to operators. In this lesson I want to tell you about the very concept of an operator, what it does, what an operand is, and what types of operators there are. Let's start. An operator in C++ is a symbol or a combination of symbols that perform specific work on data. For example, when you add two numbers, you write a plus symbol. This is the operator. The data itself is called operand. That is, the data that the operator needs is called operand. There are a lot of operators in the C++ language. They can be unary, binary, and ternary. A unary operator is an operator that requires only one operand. For example, when you create a variable and want to assign a negative value to it, you write a minus sign in front of the number. This minus is a unary operator because it only needs one operand, and it's to the right of the minus. A binary operator is an operator that requires two operands, usually one to the left and right of the operator. You've already encountered some binary operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, assignment, and even bitwise left shift and right shift, which you used in stdcout and stdcin. Also, two colons are the scope resolution operator. Notice that for all the operators named, you always wrote two operands, left and right. There's also a ternary operator. It looks like this. Yeah, I know, it's weird, but we'll look at it in the separate lesson. It needs three operands. This is a table of all the operators that exist in the C++ language. Now, we're only interested in the appearance of these operators and perhaps their names. We'll return to this table in future lessons because there is another important information here. However, you can already find operators familiar to you in this table. I'll try to teach you all the operators that you see here during the course. Over the next few lessons, we'll be examining a large number of operators. I divided the operators into several groups. The first is the simplest. It'll consider mathematical operators that you're already familiar with from school. The second is compound arithmetic operators, which actually do several actions. The third is comparison operators. The fourth is logical operators, and so on. Therefore, about 10 next lessons will be about operators. Okay, our short lesson ends, so let's summarize. An operator is a C++ language construct that consists of one or more symbols that perform some operation on data. The data that operators work with is called operands. Operators are divided into several groups: unary, binary, and ternary. And that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can support me by liking this video, writing a comment under it, subscribing to the channel, donating using the link in the video description, or becoming a sponsor of my channel. All these things popularize my channel and motivate me to continue recording lessons for you. Goodbye.